Are you creating content for YouTube? If you want to earn money on your videos, a good place to start is to monetize your channel. Through YouTube's partner program and built-in ad system, you can actually start earning money pretty quickly. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Please subscribe to our channel for more content and press the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. The main way to earn money through your YouTube channel is by joining YouTube's partner program. Join the YouTube partner program. The YouTube partner program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube. Just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partners have access to multiple income streams, not just video ads, but YouTube Premium subscription fees and features that tap your loyal fans' wallets directly like Super Chat, channel memberships, and the merchandise shelf. Step 1. Start a YouTube channel. Don't worry, we have a handy guide for this. It's called How to Create a YouTube Channel. Step 2. Make your channel successful enough that it meets the YouTube Partner Program requirements. To join the program, you need a minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months. Here are some ideas for how to get more of those precious YouTube views. Step 3. Set up an AdSense account. This is simple. Just follow YouTube's official guide to AdSense accounts. Step 4. Explore your new monetization features. Each monetization channel has different eligibility requirements. For instance, ad revenue. To earn ad revenue, you must be at least 18 years old, and you must create content that is advertiser-friendly. Basically, the less controversial your videos, the more YouTube advertisers will be comfortable running ads on them, and the more money you make. YouTube Premium revenue. If a YouTube Premium member watches your video, you get a portion of their subscription fee. This one is automatic, which is nice. Channel memberships. In order to sell channel memberships to your subscribers, you need to be at least 18 and have more than 30,000 subscribers. Merchandise shelf. In order to sell merchandise from YouTube's merchandise shelf, you must be at least 18 years old and have at least 10,000 subscribers. Super Chat payments. If you want your fans to have the ability to pay to have their messages highlighted in your live chats during your live streams, you must be at least 18. Step 5. Submit to ongoing reviews. As a YouTube partner, your channel will be held to a higher standard. According to YouTube, you have to follow not just the YouTube Partner Program policies, but the community guidelines, not to mention staying on the right side of copyright law. I hope you all liked it. If you liked this video then, do not forget to like and share it with your friends and family. Please click on like and subscribe to the channel for more content.